Cardiac markers. So we are going to look into the cardiac markers, the rise, the peak and the falling time. So the order of cardiac markers appearing in blood goes with the mnemonic my time to call. So M is for myoglobin, T is for troponin, T is for troponin I and troponin T. This is for troponin I. C is for CKMB and A is for AST and L is for LDH. So these are the times written on the top. So this is the rising time, this is the peak and this is the fall. So how do you remember it? So it goes with again you'll have to remember a few numbers. So just remember 1, 20, 12, 25 and 50. Okay, these are the numbers which I want you to remember. So it's like 1, 20, 12, 25 and 50. You can just see 1 and 20 you'll have to remember. 12 into 2 is approximately 25. 25 into 2 is 50. Okay. So with this in mind, we start with the rising time. So the rising time for the first three would be 2 to 4 hours. Myoglobin rises earlier and falls earlier. So it's going to be 2 hours and fall will be within 1 hour. Okay. The last two enzymes, AST and LDH, for this remember 12 hours and 24 hours. Okay, that is half a day and 1 day. For this I'd suggest you to remember as 12 and 24 itself. How do you remember 12 and 24? So you saw that it was 2 hours here. So just add a 1 here, so it will be 12. So here you saw is 2 to 4, so it's going to be 24. That's it. Next is the peak time and the fall time. For this, remember parallelly. Okay, you're not going to remember one by one. You're going to remember like this. So for myoglobin, the first thing I wanted you to remember was 1. So remember it as 0, 1. Okay, there's no peak time because it falls within an hour. Like within this, these are in days. Okay, so it falls within a day. Okay, so 12 hours it rises and within the next 12 hours it falls. So next is, the first was 1, next is 20. So here for every mnemonic I want you to separate into halves. So for 20, when you separate 20, it's going to be 2, and for 0 you consider it as 10. Okay, so it's going to peak by 2 hours and fall by 10. Sorry, peak by 10 days and fall by 10 days. Next is, so it was 1, 20, then 12, 25, 50, right? So 12, so it's going to peak by 1 day, fall by 2 days. Next was 25, so it's going to peak by 2 days and fall by 5 days. For LDH1, it's going to peak by 5 days and it's going to fall by 10 days, the highest. And one more thing which you'll have to remember is troponin can be used as a marker for reinfarction. Yeah. So troponin, I told you the mnemonic was 20, right? Troponin, just remember tro for 20. And for reinfarction, if troponin increases more than 20%, this indicates that it is a reinfarction. Okay, so basically you do serial monitoring, and if troponin increases by more than 20%, that is an indicator of reinfarction. So just remember this one thing, tro for 2 and 2 and that's basically 20, okay, 2 and 10. Thank you.